friends, it's Emily and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very exciting video because today I am gonna go see my very first Bruno Mars concert down at Barclays Center in New York, and I am so excited to go. Like, I cannot stop saying how excited I am because that is how excited I am. Like, he is one of my biggest celebrity crushes and I love his music. This is gonna be the 24 Karat Magic Tour, so I cannot wait to go tonight. But anyway, I thought that I'd share my get ready with me today because I thought that it'd be exciting since I'm going to a concert tonight. So today I think that I'm gonna do a fleeky liner with some gold hints in it because it is the 24 Karat Magic Tour. So we're gonna get on to the tutorial and yeah, let's go get ready for this concert. Alright you guys, so for primer today, I'm going to take my Benefit Porefessional primer, and I've already put a little bit on my hand, just a pea-sized amount, and I'm going to spread that all over my face to prime it and make it smooth for my foundation. So now that I'm all primed, I'm going to take my foundation, and today I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r foundation, and I just picked this up from Sephora, so this is one of my first few times using it, and this is in the shade 180. So I'm just going to go ahead and dot this all over my face and then blend it out with this fluffy brush. This is actually the brush that I use for blush, but I found that it blends out my foundation really well, so I might have switched it over to kind of foundation brush. Bear with me. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and dot this all over my face and let's blend it out. Now I'm just gonna take about maybe 1 to 2 pumps on my hand and then start off with that. So when I blend out my foundation, I typically like to go in circular motions and use a really soft, gentle motion. That way it won't move the foundation around too much, and that'll provide me with a little bit more fuller coverage. So now that we're done with foundation, let's move on to concealer, and for that I'm going to be using my Maybelline FitMe concealer in the color Sand. You guys know that this one is one of my favorites, and I'm just going to apply this under my eyes and on my T-zone and on any acne spots that I have on my face. And now that my concealer is applied, let's go blend it out once again. Now that my face is all blended out, I'm going to go ahead and set it with some translucent powder. Today I'll be using my Covergirl loose powder in translucent light, and I'm going to go ahead and take a big fluffy brush and set my face. My face is practically set, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take a damp Q-tip and wipe all the foundation off of my lips because I hate it when this happens, and this is one of my pet peeves. I hate it when foundation gets on my lips, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe the excess off of it. After I took the foundation off my lips, I just went ahead and put some Vaseline on them to prep them for lipstick later. For my brows, I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. brow pencil in deep brown, and I'm just gonna go ahead and follow the natural shape of my eyebrows for today and add a slight arch at the end because I want them to look a little bit fierce. Okay, so now that my brows are drawn on, I'm gonna put some brow gel on them to keep them in place for tonight because there's gonna be a lot of dancing and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade 5. I'm pretty sure that's the darkest shade that they have. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set my brows. So now that we're done with the brows, I'm gonna move on to eyeshadow, and for that I'm gonna be taking my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Beauty Killer palette. It is so pretty and has the most gorgeous colors, and I'm so sorry if it's like kind of noisy in here. I think they're doing construction outside right now and they just started, so I don't know what's up with that. But anyway, today I'm going to be going in with the transition shade Courtney, and I'm going to be using that on the crease of my eye, and for the base of my eye I'm going to be using Confession. It's a really pretty gorgeous burgundy color that's kind of metallic and it almost matches my shirt, so I think that they'll look good together, and yeah, we'll take it from there. Next, I'm going to be going into this shade called Vanity. It's a really pretty purpley black shade, and I'm just going to dip my fluffy brush into it slightly because I don't want too much, and I'm just going to smoke out the corners of my eyes a little bit. Oh my god, you guys, so I just realized the bag that I put over my light to kind of like softbox it literally was in my frame for half my video. I am so sorry about that. But anyway, we're gonna move on to eyeliner, and for that I'm gonna be taking the Fenty Beauty Flyliner. It is amazing. This is a liquid liner, and I'm gonna do kind of a dramatic wing today because we're gonna do a helix eyeliner with some gold liner that I got from Party City yesterday. This is the liquid liner, and this is in a golden shade. It is so pretty. I tried it out yesterday. Look at that. It's like liquid gold. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna do a normal cat eye with a bit of a dramatic wing, and then I'm gonna go in and do a helix eyeliner around it because it's a 24 karat magic tour, so I thought that I'd incorporate gold into it. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that and be right back. And I think I'm gonna speed this part up because it's probably gonna take me a long time. So if you guys want to learn how to do that, you guys can go over to my golden snitch eyeliner tutorial and learn how to do the helix there. Okay guys, so I just finished my eyeliner and this is what it looks like. I think it looks so beautiful. The golds really makes the burgundy pop, and I feel like they complement each other so well. So now that my liner is done, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to false lashes. So for today, I'm gonna take the Kiss Look So Natural lashes in Shy. They're really pretty and fluttery, oh my gosh. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop these on and I'll be right back. So now that my lashes are on, they look really pretty, but they kind of covered up the golds liner that we did before on the lid of our eye. I'm not mad about it. It does look good and more defined, so I'm okay with that. But anyway, I'm gonna go in next with my Benefit Roller Lash to blend my real lashes with the fake lashes. Now that my lashes are on, I'm gonna go ahead and smoke out my lower lash line with a mix of Confession and also Vanity. To finish off the eyes, I'm gonna go in with Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlighter, and I'm gonna put that on the inner corner. It is such a pretty gold color, so I thought it'd be fun to incorporate into this look. So I really like the way it's looking on my inner corner, so I think I'm going to use a little bit of Trophy Wife on my brow bone as well and see how that turns out. So I really want to intensify my brow bone highlight, so I'm going to go into e.l.f.'s Baked Highlighter in Moonlight Pearls and just pop that on top of the previous highlighter that we put on. For contouring today, I'm going to go ahead into my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm just going to bronze up my cheekbones just a little bit. I don't want too harsh of a line, so I'm just going to go in stippling it. For blush, I'm going to go into my Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Partay. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my blush brush, dip it in a few times, and blend it out on my cheeks. For highlighter today, I'm going to go into my e.l.f. Baked Highlighter in Blush Gems, and I'm just going to use that to highlight my cheekbones, my nose, and my Cupid's bow, and my chin. So now we're all done with the face, so the last thing to do is the lips. So for today, I'm going to be taking my MAC lipstick in Mixed Media. It's one of their retro matte lipsticks, and I think it looks so pretty. And it's kind of like the color of my shirt, so I think it'll be perfect to tie the whole look in together. But today, I'm not going to be applying it too dark, so I'm just going to apply like a sheer coverage and just dab it in. And then I think I'm going to top it with the Alyssa Ashley gloss from e.l.f., and then we'll be done. Alright you guys, so I just went ahead and did my hair off camera, and I just did some really soft, romantic looking curls. I think they're really pretty and they complement this look very well. So anyway, that is the end of this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me. I had so much fun just getting ready for this concert, and I'm so pumped to go. I'm leaving in about 3 hours and I literally cannot wait. Like, I'm freaking out right now. I know I'm not showing it, but like, I'm actually like freaking out. Like, I'm so psyched for this concert. But yeah, I'm gonna get going and grab some food before I have to go. But anyway, that is the end of this tutorial. Thank you all so much again for watching, and if you liked it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to turn on your post notifications if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!